So hello friends, welcome to the first episode of Trojan Web Show. So today I'm so excited to have Taj, one of the leading and top spend NFT collector on Wazirx NFT Marketplace. So today he is going to share his stories, some advices for creators and collectors, and many more things we are going to discuss here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So hello Taj, what's up man? How are you?
What's up, Nikhil? I am good. How are you?
I'm good Taj. So Taj, what else you do apart from collecting NFTs? Like what is your profession and hobby?
I'm a doctor, and mainly I do aesthetics surgery, for example, hair transplant surgery, and my main hobbies are playing piano and playing golf.
Wow, great. So personally, me as well as many creators and collectors wants to know about your investment on NFTs. Like how much did you spend on NFTs till now?
I don't want to know about it too because it's very much. I am number 2 in terms of top spend on Wazirx NFT platform. But I can tell you that for the last 2 days, I have been spending around 40 BNB.
40 BNBs in 2 days.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a huge amount.
Correct.
I think it is more than 10,000 US dollar right now.
So I just go to see my favorite artist, and I find out that there's one piece from Vimal Chandran that is in secondary market for 16 BNB. Then I go for it. I went for it, and then I bought another 4 BNB piece from Prasad Bhatt, secondary sale also. And for the 20 BNB, I spent randomly on 3D artists I like 6-7 of them.
Wow, that's great. So Taj, I saw your collected NFTs, and more than 50% of NFTs you collected are just to support creators, right?
It's kind of like investment sometimes, I think. But yeah, many times I think of it as supporting others.
Yeah, but it is wrong to say that you are investing on NFTs, because I think if you are investing on something, then you will expect some returns in future also. So what is your long-term goal in NFT space? Why you are investing so much on NFTs, and what benefits do you get apart from utilities?
The main reason I do this thing is to create the good ecosystem in the platform. And I really believe in power of community between creators and collectors. And while I have been doing these things, I got to know many special people. I got more connection to great people. Actually, I have my own project too. It is called 𝐂𝐿. It's an NFT game where people can play, invest, and earn money in crypto. Yeah, that's my own project.
Yeah, I know 𝐂𝐿𝐿. 𝐂𝐨𝐻 is the founder of 𝐂𝐿𝐿, right?
Yes, and I'm the business developer of the project.
Okay. So do you have any plan to move on to different NFT marketplace like OpenSea and Foundation?
I don't think right now I will move. I want to be rank 1 on this platform first. I mean Wazirx NFT platform. Then maybe I will move.
So Taj, from all your collected NFTs, which one is your favorite NFT or favorite collection?
I cannot say which one is my favorite NFT, but for collection, I have my own favorite collection. Is a Nom collection. The reason behind it is that because it's the first collection that I know that you can directly donate to your crypto money to the NGO and can help cute animals.
Nom is
So
kind of
Nom
modern
is
type of NGO.
Charity thing, yes. So yeah, my favorite collection is Nom. There are many good collection I can tell you. CSS Club, Hoodie Baba, 𝐂𝐿𝐿, TWS Society, many good projects. But then Nom is my favorite for now.
Okay, that's great. And Nom is my favorite too. I had collected around 7 NFTs from Nom.
I collect 35
Oh
now.
my god.
I mean more than the limit.
Yeah. That's great.
And then I gave away all Nom.
So Taj, I would like you to suggest something to our dear creators, like do's and don'ts while creating and selling NFTs.
I would suggest that community is the key, and making yourself in spotlight will surely help you. And you should try to find your own passion and your own unique style.
Yes.
about sales strategy, you try to study about it, and you try to learn from successful people, successful projects. You have to have patience, and you have to be like patient. Don't rush or don't be shy. Be confident with your own artwork and your own project, and try to be on session as much as possible. This is my suggestion.
Okay. So would you like to say something about Trojan Web? Because many people think that we are creating an NFT community to support creators.
I think right now I have a good and strong community called Taj Gang, but then Trojan Web is like something new, something more than community. We are creating educational, promotional platform for those who wanted to get into Web3 space, because I think knowledge support is the best. It's something more powerful than any other financial help in short period of time, like I'm doing, like collecting NFT. So Trojan Web, apart from it, is like original project. And right now, I'm the founder. You are the co-founder, Nikhil, and Farhan as a project manager. And this is like the first video of Trojan Web. And for the next podcast, I'll try to be the host.
Okay, Taj. So that's enough. So there are many more things that we cannot disclose it right now. So just subscribe Trojan Web for regular updates. So Taj, one more last question is that as you recently visited to India for Namaste NFT event, so tell me about some of your good and bad experiences in India and how was it?
India is amazing. I went to Bangalore. I feel very welcome. It was like one of the most heartwarming trip for me, and many people came in and hugged me. You know, I went party hard, passed out. Still, Indian friends carried me back to hotel. I stayed at Taj Hotel. It was amazing that my name is actually the hotel's name. The only bad experience about India is the traffic jam. And beside that, I would say amazing people, good food. And I visit Shiva temple at Nandi Hills and feel very blessed.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think I'll be back in India very soon. And I hope I meet you, Nikhil.
Yeah, surely, definitely we will meet next time.
Yeah.
Definitely. So that brings us to the end of this episode. Thanks, Taj, for joining us.
Thank you, Nikhil.
I hope you guys liked this first episode of Trojan Web Show. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. And guys, मिलते हैं next video में with me, Taj, and someone special. Till then, bye bye.
Lit.